So today, try that again, I lost my voice. So today I'm going to be changing out this faded panel here for a clear engine bay cover. First step, jump in the boot. Second step, remove that net. So I've now removed the net, and as you can see, that's how bad the sunfade is. Now what you need is dash removal tools. I don't have one, so I'm going to try use this side of the boot and pry up to lift the bonnet up. I can't really film this because I can't put the camera anywhere and I don't have enough hands, so yeah, you just lift it and pull it towards the steering wheel once it's up. Okay, so it's totally wrong. You go from that side, pry that way, then pull it out this way, then it'll expose this panel here. What I need to do now is see if I've got a bit that fits them. So what we need is a T30 to get into them. It's fucking hard to do without well, yeah, there we go, yeah. But try not to drop it, because if not, you're not good. So that's all them removed, and now let's see what we have under here. The state of my engine. Actually, not too bad. Not too bad at all. So when I was taking out them, which are these, I've dropped a drill bit in the engine bay somewhere. Right, I'm going to give this a quick clean. I'm not going to do it properly or anything, just a quick clean, tidy it up a bit, because I've still got neons to go in, and then I'll go from there with that. Yeah, the neons aren't going in today either. I'm just putting the clear engine cover on, and that's it. So that's my quick clean up complete. It's only a temporary one till I do it properly. All I've done, soap and water, sponge, and just wash it straight. I haven't even sprayed it with water or anything, which I will do in the future, but I need to mask all that off. Now I'm just going to quickly dry it off with a old microfiber that I don't really need again. Try to get some of the grease out, and then I'm going to install the engine cover. And yes, you can get the whole engine wet. You don't need to worry about any components getting soaked. Obviously, don't just pour a bucket of water on, but you can get it all wet. Don't stress about it. So that's the engine pretty much temporary cleaned for now. Now let's go get that engine cover. Cool. So we're nearly done opening this. So this is everything that comes with a kit. You get instructions, you get your actual engine bay cover, and you get some risers that will hold the engine bay cover on top of the engine, basically. Probably don't need the instructions, but I'll have a quick read through, see which riser goes where, and go from there. I believe that is a Lancaster bomber. So what I'm doing now is just installing these, basically just threading them in, and all by hand. Don't need a tool, don't need to be overly tightened, just thread them in. Once they're nice and snug, you're good to go. There we go, there's one done already. So it comes with one short one without a thread on top, that goes there. You get two medium-sized ones, they go there, and because this part's lower, your long ones go there and there. Here it comes again. How cool is that? Look at that! I mean, on camera, it looks crap. But the height, how close that actually is to me is mad. But you can tell by the rooftop how low it actually is. They're all in now, so I assume we just remove these little top parts and a glass sits on it. I do apologise as well, I said it was a Lancaster bomber. My head's not in the right place right now. It's a Globemaster, that plane that keeps flying over currently. We have a few Falcons come over, we have jet Provises, we have all sorts, like loads of cool stuff coming around here. Right, so what you want to do is remove all these, like so. Now they're all out, you should have something looking like that. Then you're going to get a suction cup. Oh, hang on, and we're back again. Straight off my mum and dad's house. I've came here just because I've got all my tools and stuff here if needed, so just makes my life a bit easier. Oh shit. But yeah, so I'm going to get my suction cups off my camera mount basically, stick it to the glass, and I'm going to lift up the engine mount, the engine cover, holding it by hand, peel off the backing and place it on here. But first of all, I won an Instagram competition, so why not? Probably take it off in the future, but who cares? So I'm assuming this is doing training today. It's just right overhead. I'm trying to watch it with my eyes rather than the phone. So what I have here is a Fat Gecko triple mount suction mount, which I stick on the back of the car for clips like this. So I'm going to be using that to pick up that glass, because I trust this one. I can move a full car by it when it's on. I'm going to use this to get the glass to the car. I'm still going to hold the glass underneath just for a bit of safety, but yeah, let's give it a go. I need to peel that backing off the bottom too. Right, here we go. Actually quite like this. Easy does it, because this is glass. Probably should have asked my dad for some help, but he's gone out now, so yeah, let's just see how we go. So I'm going in corner first, then slowly rotating as I go on. Oh, that's easy. And we're more or less over now. Just need to feed it in. So we're like that at the moment. We'll soon get there. Right, so what I'm doing is I'm just feeding this rubber down into the curves. Screwed one of them in. Once I've got it in place, then I'm just slowly going around making it, tidying it up. But look how simple this installation is. Hole, hole, bang, on top. Try not to cross thread it because that'll be a nightmare. Screw in. Boom, done. Done. Just make sure it's tight. Yep, tight. Where is it? Looking through a camera here. Tight, tight. There we are. Just going like that. It's so easy. As I said earlier, we have a jump on this as well. That goes round. I'm now on to installing my last bolt, if you can hear me. So now that's all on, I think the hardest part of the install is going to be now, and that's going to be removing this. So let's give that a go. Remove. Fuck. Can't remember how to do it now. Fucking hell. There's one off. Right, great. There's it back on. Bam. Ah, come on. Ah, fucking hell. There's two off. There we go. We now have a supercar. Well, Lamborghini style. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean up. I'm going to park on the flat because I'm currently on the slope, and I can take it out of gear, can let it run. And I can see if it's any louder without. Well, it will be a bit louder without all that, but yeah, we'll see how much louder it actually is. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here, from exhaust, graphics, that, full body kit, reg plate, stuff I just haven't filmed, which I should have really filmed and made videos on, but I'm going to start again, at least try. Right, so I believe, I can't hold this, let me just put this somewhere. Right, screw it. There's the engine, moment of truth, see what happens. I haven't got my keys. Right, let's try again. Moment of truth, there's the engine.
Hello, Ding Ding Pie.
I mean, it is a bit louder. That's that's actually quite cool. I can hear intake noise. I need to see what it's actually like in driving terms now. So the first thing I've noticed is I can smell exhaust. Not good. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and push down the rubbers a bit, because I might have not done that and forgotten about that. What I've noticed is you can hear a lot of induction. It's not actually, it's louder, but it's not disturbingly louder. I'll let you know once I've been about 50-60 miles per hour, but as of now it's not too bad. I don't know if you can hear that. Every time I go to start off, you can hear like the sucking. That's kind of cool. But the ticking and the whining is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. It's worth it. Like, this is already a loud car, I've got to say that. All you really hear more of so far is breathing. Like the engine just sucking in air, and that's about it. I'll give it a little whistle. My car's not up to temp yet, so I'm cruising at 30 at the moment. It's not too disturbing. Don't know if you can hear this. I'll put the phone a bit closer. And that's just very light throttle. That's some good intake noise you can actually hear from that. Another thing I'm noticing is injectors. Any throttle, you can hear it ticking away. Lift off, 1, 2. So you get about a 2-second overrun, and then the injectors stop ticking. Second you're on throttle, you hear the ticking, which slightly irritating, yes, but for what you're getting, you're hearing more induction, which is always cool. And how many people have that behind the race? I mean, come on, you can't beat that. So as I say, I'm doing 650 now. It's not annoying me, I'm happy with it. Mark, person who made it, detailed, works 987 I believe. If I've got that wrong, I will correct myself. If not, thank you very much. Awesome mod, quick delivery, excellent customer service. I can't fault him. And it's so much cheaper than ones on Design 911, so much cheaper. But on your gear changes, you get like a which is quite cool, I like that. But other than that, that'll be it for this video. If you like my style of video, or if you're just interested in what I do in the future with the builds, please consider giving the video a like and give me a subscription, follow, whatever you want to call it. I don't fucking know. As I say, it's like my first time, and I've looked, it's actually been 2 years since talking to the camera. So I think over time I will get better. But yeah, thanks for watching.